Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel Carolina's Creations Handmade. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss my videos. And today I have these super adorable projects to share with you, and this will be perfect for craft fairs. If you're doing spring craft fairs, you can also use them for pen pals for your happy mail. And you can use your scraps to make them. So these are great projects. You are not going to spend a lot of money and you can sell them on your craft fairs. I made this little tag pocket without a die. The other ones I made using a die from Spellbinders, but I'm going to show you on my next video how I made that one without a die. I also wanted to give a quick shout out to my super adorable and talented friend Kristen. She just started her new channel called Backyard Texas Barbecue, and I'm going to link it down on the description below. She's really amazing. She has super delicious and super easy to follow recipes, so I hope you guys go check her channel out, subscribe, and tell her hi for me. And now I'm going to show you here the dies that I use for my projects. I use this die called Charming Tag Pocket from Spellbinders, and I recommend that if you can afford it, you buy it because it's really good and it will save you a lot of time for mass producing. I made several prize ribbons for this project and I just love making them. And I really would like you guys to leave me a comment down below in the comment section and let me know how you like them. I so love this. I like making them dimensional and I love using them for several different projects. I have a video that I'm going to link here and down in the description below on how to make a different kind of prize ribbon that was inspired by Maggie Holmes. But if you would like me to show you how I make this kind, just let me know down on the description below and I'll make a process video. I really love these prize ribbons to decorate cards, mini albums, planners, a lot of different things. And I love making them dimensional. For this ones, I'm using crepe paper rosettes to decorate them. And I'm going to link on this video and down on the description below how I make my own crepe paper rosette. So this one is an embellishment. You can see here I added a foam dot on the back. People can remove the acetate and just place their embellishment whatever they want to use it. These are perfect also to decorate gift bags and presents. So I hope you guys like it. And here you can see how the tag look. And it has this shape over here, this design that I love. And this was made again using the Spellbinders die. I added 2 tags instead of 1. So I glue one back to back and I didn't glue them all over. I just glued the border because I wanted to make an extra pocket, and this I made so I could use it as a gift card holder. So this you can sell at your craft fairs as a gift card holder, and also you can place your embellishment or paper clip on them. And I really love them, and I think people will love buying them for their friends. You can also place your gift card at the front pocket like that, and then just place a note or some other things on the extra pocket on the back. And here I'm going to show you a different one that I made, and I tried to back it using colors that match my prize ribbons. And for this one I used this heart that I bought at the Hobby Lobby wedding section. It was on sale. I stamped Hello Darling and I just fussy cut it and glued it there. I made some fishtail banners using scrap paper, and this one I made into a paper clip. And I just love so much dimension, and I love also using this envelope liner from Hobby Lobby to cut my doilies. I just love it because it's foiled and it's not thick. And you can see on the back how I made it, and it's looking super clean and it's super sturdy. So I'm going to show you on one of my next videos a tutorial on how I make my altar paper clips. So let me know in the comment section if it's something that you would like seeing. And you can place again your gift card on the back, and you can place an altar paper clip at the front as an extra present. And here's another one I made, and this one I made it into an altar paper clip too. Isn't this super adorable? I just love it! And I love using again the crepe paper rosettes to decorate my prize ribbons. And I use here another embellishment from the Hobby Lobby, and I made it again into a paper clip. It just looks adorable. And here's the tag pocket that I made. I double back it again using this die from Spellbinders. And I made another paper clip here. I love using these envelope liners from Hobby Lobby to cut my doilies. And I made this little bow. I turned it into a paper clip, and I recommend you use double-sided paper for the fishtail banners on your prize ribbons so you have the perfect finish. I just so love it, and I love that you can use them as a gift card holder too. And this one I added some ribbon from my stash to decorate the top of it and also to close the back pocket. And you can use your ephemera to decorate your prize ribbons. This one I also made into an outer paper clip, and I would have loved to have handy my silver paper clips, but I didn't. And you can see how sturdy it is. I just love making this. And for this pocket tag, I'm using a prize ribbon that I made before. I only added this grip paper on the back. I love making them dimensional, and they're just so stinking cute. So for this ones, I made it into embellishment, so I added some foam dots on the back. And here's the pocket. I'm using Willow Lane paper from Maggie Holmes and some ribbon from my stash. I so love how this turned out. They're so easy, so fun to make. And I made this one using buttons. I glued 2 buttons together that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I made a silver doily using the envelope liner that I got there too. Some fishtail banners. And I made this one into an embellishment too. Added 2 foam dots on the back. I'm going to show you here another way you can use this for. I made this into a bookmark and a sticker holder. So I place in the pocket my stickers, and I'm going to show you here on my planner how it will look and how it's not bulky at all. I only made it into 1 pocket so I don't make it too bulky, and it closes perfectly. You can see there that it doesn't leave your planner bulkier because it's really flat. So this is another use for these tags. You can use them as page markers and sticker holders for your planners. I hope you guys like these project ideas, and if you do, please leave me a comment down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so very much to all of you, my super sweet crafty friends, for all your love and support. I've missed you guys, and I love seeing your comments and all your messages, so please keep them coming. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.